Beth and I went out for a drive. I said, let's go to Lake Hodges Dam.
Hi guys!
And we'll check out the trails there and go for a flight with the drone. However, if you noticed at the start of this video, it is very windy, probably 25 miles per hour or so. I mean, the drone can handle that. It'll eat the battery faster. But to be honest, it just made me a little bit nervous. I didn't know if there would be higher wind at the top of the mountains, so I did take a flight. Some snapshots of the dam, and here is like an aqueduct, I believe they call that. They had a canal or something was attached to the lake, and it went very far down the mountain. Driving down the road, you can see this off to the side of the roads. No longer in use, of course, but in the day, this carried quite a bit of water. In fact, there used to be quite a bit of water in this lake. It's fairly low now. Which you'll see the lake on the other side of this dam. The spillover system, not needed at this point. And there's the water on the other side of the lake. Those roads have been here for quite a while, I'm sure. They completed building this dam in 1918. Now let's get a bird's eye view. This lake is located in Escondido. Historically, the Poway Native Americans That's Little Black Mountain. I used to go hang gliding there when I was younger. As an ex-hang glider pilot, looking at those wind lines on the river down there tells me that there's quite a lot of wind hitting that lake. So I'm going to get this over with and come back and land. High winds are okay to fly in, but they eat my battery pretty quickly. It was just the two of us for quite a while, but then these bicyclists showed up. Oh, and the security guy. There's a guy in that car. And this drone is so very quiet, they didn't even know until they saw me, looked at me for a while. I mean, they were friendly. They didn't mind at all. They were kind of interested. And me and Beth are underneath that umbrella because it's pretty hot. Okay, well, you guys have a good day.
Bye, guys. Enjoy and come out